Hey, Ivy here. Today, let's talk about using AI to create a simple plan for a digital detox weekend. We all need a break from screens sometimes, and AI can help design a weekend plan that allows you to unplug and recharge. Imagine scheduling outdoor activities, setting up tech free zones, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. AI can guide you every step of the way, offering suggestions that align with your preferences and lifestyle. It's all about finding balance and making the most of your time away from digital distractions. First, let's think about what a digital detox weekend could look like. AI can help you map out a schedule that includes plenty of outdoor activities. Whether it's hiking, biking, or simply taking a walk in the park, being in nature can be incredibly refreshing. AI can suggest local trails or parks based on your location and even recommend the best times to visit to avoid crowds. Next, consider creating tech-free zones in your home. AI can help you identify which areas might be best for this. Maybe it's your living room or a cozy corner in your bedroom. The idea is to have spaces where you can relax without the temptation of screens. AI can even suggest activities to enjoy in these zones, like reading a book, doing a puzzle, or practicing meditation. AI can also help you plan meals for your detox weekend. It can suggest simple, healthy recipes that don't require a lot of time in the kitchen. This way, you can spend more time enjoying your weekend and less time worrying about what to cook. Finally, AI can assist in setting reminders for when to check your devices. It might suggest checking your phone only once in the morning and once in the evening, helping you stay connected without being overwhelmed. A digital detox is all about finding balance and making the most of your time away from digital distractions. AI can be a great tool to help you achieve this balance by offering personalized suggestions that fit your lifestyle. Ready to disconnect and refresh? Stay tuned for tomorrow's tip.